yourself hurt. These words trapped within will hurt you. We are the ones who overcome. Some are still dying in silence. Silence. All these words I need to say. Still ashamed for who I was. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Intoxicated, standing at your door. Without you, I am alone. Bleeding out, bleeding out, blood red. I cut myself open on the sharp roads of love. Nothing can stop a raging war in a teenage heart, except for that first glimpse of love that started it all. I spend too much time on the telephone waiting for you to call. Why are your pictures still hanging on my wall? I spend too much time in these empty rooms. This place is great without you. It's time for me to realize you're gone. I spend too much time in these empty rooms listening to the rain. I just hope that you'll come back again and give these walls colors, light up these rooms once more. I spend too little time with you when you were here. I don't know why, but it's something I can't undo. I spend too much time worrying about things that I can't change. none of this would matter.